Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo 80QD. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their Lenovo 80QD won't turn on. This issue can arise due to a faulty motherboard, which is the central component responsible for communication between all parts of your device. If left unchecked, this can lead to further complications, including data loss or additional hardware damage. To successfully replace the motherboard, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, an anti-static wrist strap, tweezers, and a replacement motherboard specifically for the Lenovo 80QD. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. It's crucial to work in a static-free environment, which is where your anti-static wrist strap comes in handy. Open the device carefully by removing the screws from the back panel, ensuring you keep them safe. Once the back is off, locate the motherboard. This is the large circuit board that connects all of your device's components. You may need to disconnect various cables. Take your time and note where each one goes. Be gentle with the connectors to avoid damaging them. Now, remove any screws securing the motherboard in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the screws out, gently lift the motherboard from its compartment, being cautious of any attached components. Once removed, take the new motherboard and position it carefully in the same spot. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all the cables, ensuring they are firmly in place and correctly oriented. Replace the back panel of the device and screw it back in securely. Before powering it up, double-check all connections to ensure everything is in its proper place. Once you're ready, reconnect to the power source and switch it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You've replaced the motherboard. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your device is kept in a dry, cool environment and avoid overloading it with multiple demanding tasks at once. Regular maintenance and updates can also help keep your Lenovo 80QD running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.